Hello guys, I'm JJ and welcome to the Trisio FAQ series. Here I give you some detailed answers to all the questions you may have during the creation of panoramas and tours with Trisio. Our topic today is about how to use Trisio's desktop application to manage the panoramas captured by Trisio. Firstly, the Trisio desktop software needs to be downloaded from the official website. Go to trisio.com, find Download at the bottom of the home page and click on it. Depending on the type of the device, you can find separate applications for Mac and PC. I'm using a PC, so click here to download and install. Connect your Trisio camera to your computer via the USB-C cable. Power on the camera so that you can manage the files in the camera storage from a desktop. Open Trisio Factory and it has a very simple page. In the top right-hand corner, you can choose the language of the software. Currently, English and Chinese are supported. Plus, you can check the current version of the software. At the bottom of the page, you can set the location where the panorama will be saved on your computer. The main functions of Trisio Factory are as shown on the page: to extract pictures and to stitch pictures. Having said that, I think I need to describe one of the basic working principles of Trisio Lite 2. The source file of the finished panorama is stored in the camera in a special format. This file is not processed or stitched together yet. Why? For many panoramic photographers, they usually have a tight shooting schedule during the day and may need to take dozens or even 100 panoramic images. Even a single house may require your camera to be turned over 10 times. In this case, continuous shooting and stitching of panoramas can significantly increase the power usage of the camera and cause it to overheat. To avoid this and keep the photographer's workflow free from unnecessary interruptions, Trisio separates the process of stitching images from the shoot. And because of this, if you remember, in the last video I mentioned that compared to the Trisio Lite 2, which takes about 30 seconds to take a panoramic image, the download time is a bit long. This is due to the workflow we just mentioned, as the download process also involved stitching together the source files. Okay, now let's go back to the Trisio Factory. The button Extract Pictures on the left is used to get all 4 exposures of the Trisio camera in one panorama. Let's try. You'll get 4 separate pictures with a fish eye-like view, which can be further processed by PTGUI or other software. We have updated Trisio Factory to version 1.1 last week, and the 4 images exported by this version can be stitched together directly in PTGUI using the default settings. The stitch pictures on the right is similar to downloading pictures from your camera memory to your phone in a mobile app, after which you will get a stitched 8K panorama. That's all for this video, and thanks for watching. We'll keep updating, so don't forget to subscribe. What other questions do you have about daily use of Trisio? Just feel free to drop us a line in the comment. We'll see you next time.